Hi guys, today I will teach active voice, passive voice with the present and past continuous tenses in English as well as in Telugu with examples. Example 1. I am writing a letter. నేను లేఖ రాస్తున్నాను. So I is the subject, am is the auxiliary verb, writing is main verb with the ing form. A letter is the object. I am writing a letter. నేను ఒక లేఖ రాస్తున్నాను. It is active voice. Here highlighting I. If you want to convert active voice into passive voice, first a letter. A letter is the object. Then is. A letter is singular. That's why we should use is. Then as for syntax, being. Then with written. Then by. Then me. So a letter is being written by me. Here we are highlighting a letter. ఒక ఉత్తరము నా చేత రాయబడుతుంది. If you have any doubt, check the above thumb rule. Subject plus am, is, or, was, were plus ing form plus object. It is called as active voice. Object plus am or is or was or were plus being plus v3 plus by subject. This one we call as passive voice. Yeah, V1 is the present tense, V2 is the past tense, V3 is the past participle, V4 is the ing form. Example, write V1, wrote V2, written V3, writing V4. Verb for convenience purpose, I have given V1, V2, V3, V4. You can understand the above syntax and this verb different forms of different tenses. Okay. Then example 2. Mrs. Chitra is singing a songs. Chitra garu పాటలు పాడుతున్నారు. Here we are highlighting Mrs. Chitra. Chitra garu పాటలు పాడుతున్నారు. If you want to convert in passive voice, a song, that is the plural. That's why we are using or, then being as per syntax. Then V3 is sung, then by, then Mrs. Chitra. So songs are being sung by Mrs. Chitra. పాట చిత్ర గారు పాడుతున్నారు. వీఆర్ హైలైటింగ్ సాంగ్స్ ఇన్ passive voice. Example 3. Teachers are encouraging Arjun. ఉపాధ్యాయులు అర్జున్ని ప్రోత్సహిస్తున్నారు. In active voice we are highlighting teacher. In passive voice, Arjun is being encouraged by teachers. Arjun is equal. That's why we are using is, then being, then encouraged with by, then teachers. So teachers are encouraging Arjun. Arjun is being encouraged by teachers. Arjun ఉపాధ్యాయులు ప్రోత్సహిస్తున్నారు. We are highlighting Arjun in passive voice. Example 4. She was violating the rules. ఆమె నిబంధనలు ఉల్లంఘిస్తుంది. Active voice. Here she. We are highlighting she in active voice. In passive voice, the rules. Rules plural. That's why we are using were, then being, then violated, then by, then her. So the rules were being violated by her. నిబంధనలు ఆమె అతిక్రమించారు. So we are highlighting in passive voice rules. Example 5. They were playing cricket. or cricket ఆడుతున్నారు. So we are highlighting they. It is a past continuous tense. So if you want to convert into passive voice, cricket is a singular. That's why then was, then being, then played, then by, then them. So they becomes them only here. Cricket was being played by them. Cricket were ఆడుతున్నారు. Passive voice. We are highlighting cricket in passive voice. Example 6. Am I troubling you? నేను నిన్ను ఇబ్బంది పెడుతున్నానా? As a learner, as a beginner, you should know all these things. Am I troubling you? నేను ఇబ్బంది పెడుతున్నానా? Active voice. In passive voice, are you being troubled by me? So you is the one. You. After you. So before you, we should use are, then being, with troubled, then by me. So మీరు నా వల్ల ఇబ్బంది పడుతున్నారా? So here highlighting you in passive voice. Example 7. Why are you disturbing Priya? పేరుని ఎందుకు డిస్టర్బ్ చేస్తున్నారు? So Priya is singular. That's why after why we use is, then Priya, then being, then disturbed, then by, by then you. నీ వల్ల ప్రే ఎందుకు డిస్టర్బ్ అవుతుంది? వై ఈజ్ ప్రే బీయింగ్ డిస్టర్బ్డ్ బై యూ? నీ వల్ల ప్రే ఎందుకు డిస్టర్బ్ అవుతుంది? 8. దేవి వాజ్ కంపోజింగ్ మ్యూజిక్. దేవి సంగీతం సమకూర్చారు. So it is past continuous tense. Music is the singular, so that's why after music was being composed by Devi. Music was as per syntax being, then composed with then by Devi. Sangeetam, Devi, Samkuchar. In actives were highlighting Devi, in passives were highlighting music. Example 9. Is car not creating problems? Actives. Car సమస్యలను సృష్టించడం లేదా? Question. So are not problems being created by car? సమస్యలు కారు వల్ల సృష్టించబడలేదా? So in actives we are highlighting or in passives we are highlighting problems. Example 10. The PET was not training the students. PET విద్యార్థులకు శిక్షణ ఇవ్వలేదా? Students were not being trained by the PET. So విద్యార్థులకు PET శిక్షణ ఇవ్వడం లేదా? Example 11. Are they not supporting Vikrant? Or Vikrant మద్దతు ఇవ్వలేదా? So how to convert this one into passives? Is Vikrant not being supported by them? Your fluency will change if you practice like this. They are playing cricket. They are not playing cricket. Are they playing cricket? Are not they playing cricket? Understand the concept of actives, passives with the present tense, with the present continuous tense and past continuous tense. Practice several times. Definitely you will get the flow. Consistency is the key. Practice. Like, subscribe, click on bell icon to get latest videos and provide your comments. Thanks for watching the video.